Hello everyone and welcome to Autobots channel Kolkata. Today I have another very interesting gadget unboxing for you. So what exactly is the gadget? Let's find out. This just came today via Amazon and I'm very excited to open the box. Packaging is quite good as always from Amazon. Wow, and we have a nice thank you note from the seller. So I'll just check it out. So this is a portable vacuum cleaner that I have got mainly for my car and some small things in the household. I have a big vacuum cleaner, but it's quite bulky and it is good for home use, but it is not very handy. So a portable one will be very handy, and I was looking for something like that. I did some research. There are many variants available. This is a little big, as you can see by the box. There is another small version of it which costs much less, but that is much less in power. So I got this one. Note from the seller saying, "Thank you. I hope you liked our product and service," and it is handwritten, which makes it even more nice. So this is the multifunctional vacuum cleaner. It's wireless and portable, so very handy. So you don't have to worry about all the cables and wires. Some uses are mentioned here, so you can use it for car, for cleaning your computer, sofa, small indoor household things. Nothing on this side, and it says cordless design, strong suction, air blowing, and large capacity battery. This is also another devices which is made in China. So let me open the box. So here are all the contents. So this is a service manual, mostly written in Chinese. It also has a English version, which is nice. These are all the attachments that comes with the vacuum cleaner. This is the main battery pack, which is quite heavy. So it says lithium batteries max. It's a little heavy, and this is the main device. It's quite light. This looks like a gun or a hair dryer. Here is the action button, and here is where all the attachments go, and we have a place in the back where the ear gets out, and here is where we need to stick this battery. So it will go here. I'll show you. So this is everything that comes in the box. This is the main device, and here and this, all the attachments will go like this, etc, etc. So we have all the attachments here. A blower function which I can attach in the back function. So this is like this, and if I attach the battery, the blower function is quite powerful. It just blows this off like this. You can see. If I keep it here, it's just gonna blow it off. So quite powerful. You can also make it stand like this. It feels really nice. It kind of looks like my wireless drilling machine that I got few days back. By the way, if you want to purchase this product, I will share the purchase link in the description, so that you can just go ahead and purchase it from the link. It really feels nice. It's not very heavy, even though it has a big battery. The build quality is also quite good. I really like holding it, and all these attachments are quite useful. With using all this, you can keep your laptops, desktops, computer table, other tables clean. And you can use this attachment if you have big balloons or inflatable. You can use it attachment. And this is a charger. So this is a 5-volt charger is used to charge this device. Quite nice. There are different attachments which I can attach. So this is the main compartment where I have a HEPA filter. So this way you can just took it out and clean it, and this is also washable. Okay, so this is how it is happening. So you can see it is sucking it in like this. Now that I have shown you the product, I am going to use it and show the actual usability of the portable handheld vacuum cleaner. But before that, I am going to charge the device fully. This takes around 3 hours to get fully charged and works for 30 minutes. Is it really helpful and does it do the job well? Let's find out by doing some vacuuming around the household. This is a really dirty corner of my living room, and let's put the portable vacuum to the test. As you can see, it had really done a nice job. This section looks spotless. Now let's try the vacuum on the sofa, which has a lot of dust and dirt and looks like it needs a cleaning. After a thorough cleaning with the vacuum, the sofa really looks spotless. Now let's vacuum some dust accumulated after some drilling work at home. The portable vacuum did a fantastic job. As you can see, it had sucked all the dust after the drilling work and the area is completely cleaned. So that was all about the portable vacuum cleaner. Quite handy product. So I got this product at $12.99, which is quite a good price to pay for this. And if you have any questions related to the product, please mention in the comment section. Do like the video if you like it, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it, and also share the video in your social community. See you soon guys in our next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.